Welcome to my open house video. My name is Will Furiosi, and I've been teaching at Oviedo High School since 2013. I've taught a variety of courses here, including chemistry, AP biology, and a research program. I thoroughly enjoy the scientific process and allowing students to experience the joys and wonders that it brings, while also helping them to be highly prepared students and citizens for beyond. My time at Oviedo has been wildly successful, especially in terms of student performance in AP biology and research. And such success led me to being named Seminole County District Teacher of the Year in 2021. AP Biology is a high school offering of curriculum that traditionally takes 2 semesters of college instruction. The core curriculum involves 4 big ideas. The first, an overarching idea of evolution in which things change over time. The second big idea involves the transfer of energy, especially from the ultimate source of the sun. The third involves information, both at the macroscopic and at the molecular level, especially through nucleic acids. Lastly, interactions is the last big idea, occurring also both at the organismal and molecular levels. Since taking over the course in 2014, Oviedo students have been exceptionally successful in this program. Every year, Oviedo has finished first or second in the overall pass rates in Seminole County, and historically we've had an 89% pass rate, which you can see far exceeds the district and the international averages somewhere in the 60s. In fact, there have been twice as many students who have earned top scores of 5s on the end of the year exam than who have not passed since I took over the course. By the end of this program, students, if they follow my lead, will be highly prepared in biology. For my classroom rules are simple. Students should come prepared to learn and be willing to engage each and every day. Nothing makes me more excited to teach than students asking questions. Asking questions and pondering science's great and deep ideas is what makes a discipline so enjoyable. Cell phones, therefore, are a hindrance to being able to ponder and enjoy the content and must be stowed in their respective containers at all times. Additionally, students are expected to be on time to class, and if not, they will accrue tardies and consequences in according to the tardy and Minga policy. The homework in AP Biology is framed similar to what I found most effective for my undergraduate experience in molecular microbiology, which was just reading and taking notes. When I read and took notes ahead of class, I did way better than when I didn't. Students are expected to read and take notes each night, with the assignment usually due on the weekend. It approximately takes about 3 pages each night. Periodically, other assignments such as problem sets, lab reports, and other projects will be assigned throughout the year to help gauge and hone their understanding. This course utilizes a total point system. It is dependent on the number of graded assignments given, but ultimately a final quarter grade is determined by 80% of the student's current grade added to 20% of the student's quarter exam grade. And you can see the math below. Students are expected to visit the eCampus course page each day, not just look at their to-do list. It helps give helpful information about what was discussed in class and also what's expected for them for homework. Not all homework is listed as a to-do item. If a student is absent, they should check eCampus first, and then follow up with an email letting me know they will be absent and ask any necessary clarification questions regarding what was listed on eCampus. I'm available every day before school at 6:45 a.m. and until at least 3 p.m. after school each day. I ask that students give me at least 24 hours advance notice, especially given the new locked door policy. I thoroughly appreciate you taking a visit, and I hope you found this session helpful and informative. If you ever need to reach me, email is the best. Please don't use Skyward though, as its notification system is pretty poor, and I'll likely miss any message you send through that platform. If you want to follow any research professional updates of mine, I encourage you to also check out the above accounts as well. Thank you, and I look forward to having a fantastic year with your child in my class.